Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing some products that were sent to me by a company called Curl Me Happy. So stay tuned if you would like to see how I got this look. This is a flat twist out that I did on freshly washed hair using their products. So we're going to start using this Bye Bye Knots conditioning cleanser. And I always mix my shampoos in this container that you see here in this water bottle with water and just shampoo my hair that way. That for me, that saves time and also water, and it's just the easiest way for me to shampoo my hair. So I'm shampooing using this. Shampoo did not lather a lot, but I do feel like it did do a good job at cleansing my hair. So I've rinsed that out and going to go ahead and add the deep conditioner. I'm adding the chocolate fudge deep conditioner. And I would definitely say all of Curl Me Happy's products smell so good. Oh my gosh, this chocolate fudge deep conditioner smells exactly like chocolate fudge. Like, it's just great. Like, it makes you want to eat it, you guys. It smells so good. And it actually does contain cocoa powder and dark chocolate extract, and it really did detangle my hair easily. I felt like it was very easy to run my fingers through my hair, and it did a good job at that. So I let that sit for about an hour. So here I've washed out all of the deep conditioner, and I'm preparing my hair to style. So I always add in leave-in conditioner before I add in my styler. So I'm just adding in a little bit of my Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in conditioner and going to further detangle my hair before I begin to flat twist. So here I have detangled all of my hair and am using my rat tail comb to go ahead and make my parts to begin my twists. Your parts definitely don't have to be perfect, but I just don't want my parts just looking too crazy. So, you know, I just try to make them as straight as possible. And I'm going to be using the marshmallow and cinnamon bun twisting cream to actually twist my hair in style. And once again, you guys, this one smelled exactly like the name, marshmallows and cinnamon buns. It smells so good. So after adding in the product, I'm using my Tangle Teaser to detangle, and then we'll go ahead and separate the hair into two pieces and start my flat twist. I'm flat twisting medium sections of hair, and I don't actually have a step-by-step slow motion tutorial showing how to flat twist on my channel. You know, I'm trying to show you guys here, but I didn't want to make the video too long. So let me know if you want me to make a tutorial on how to flat twist or a more detailed tutorial, because I am showing you guys what I'm doing, and I definitely will show you a couple of more times in this video how I'm flat twisting. And as I get to the end, I'm just going to twirl the hair around a little and add a medium-sized perm rod to the end to make sure that I have a nice curl at the end of my flat twist. And so I'm just going to part the next section to go ahead and start on my next flat twist and just repeat those exact same steps. So this is what my hair looks like, fully flat twisted. I think I did about 14 to 15 twists total. And so I'm just going to cover my hair with the silk scarf, and I did also sit under the dryer for a couple of hours and let the rest dry overnight. So it's the next day and time to remove my twists. So I'm first removing the rollers, and then we'll slowly start to unravel my twists. And I was super pleased with the definition that the twisting cream gave my hair. And I also did not have to add any additional oil. My hair was definitely really moisturized and shiny because the twisting cream already contains castor seed oil, manuka honey, and also shea butter. So no additional oil was needed. I'm just going to pick my hair to my liking. I do like big hair, you guys, so I'm just picking and fluffing. And so I decided to just take a small section on the side and just twist that around itself and pin that back with the bobby pin. Just something really simple, just trying to switch it up from my regular, just wearing it all out, just in a big curly fro. And so yeah, this is pretty much the completed look, you guys. Thank y'all so much for watching. Curl Me Happy's website will be below, but their website is curlmehappyhair.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely check out their products, check out their site, and yeah, stay tuned for the next video.